Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and here in this session for vocabulary I'm here to discuss a few set of words with you through an article. Now this article, as you all know, that we have been taking the article from the Hindu, and this article also comes from the same newspaper. So let's begin with today's article, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it for regular sessions with us, whether it's for vocabulary, language, grammar, or current affairs or aptitude, any material that you need for competitive exams. So let's pull up our socks for today's article. The article heads as Equal Stakes on Accommodative Politics. Equal stakes, that is equal interest or equal, I would say, kind of support. See, if you have a stake in something, that means you have something of interest in it, something that is at risk pertaining to that interest. If you vested something, अगर आपने किसी चीज़ में अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाया है या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, so आपका स्टेक वहाँ पर है. Alright, so that is a stake. So here stake is used as a noun which means interest or support. कहने का मतलब है कि आपका वहाँ पर एक इंटरेस्ट वेस्टेड है, ठीक है, किसी भी तरह से अगर आप उस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हैं. So on accommodative politics, so the agenda is political agenda. Accommodative, which is willing to fit in, जो कि सही तरीके से या सही ढंग से की जा सकती है. Okay, accommodative, that is an adjective. So accommodative politics पे बात कर रहे हैं कि जो चीज़ किसी सही तरीके से, politics अगर ढंग से सही तरीके से की जा सकती है और जहाँ पर सबका इंटरेस्ट वेस्टेड है, सबके खुद के इंटरेस्ट हैं, तो accommodative politics का यहाँ पर क्या मतलब हुआ कि किस तरीके से आप सबको बेनिफिट दे सकते हैं. Okay. Accommodative politics is often the result of expediency, but it holds intrinsic value. कहते हैं that it is often the result of expediency. Expediency, that is, I would say, fast and practical. So you can say something that's quick and full of practicality. That could be expediency. So this is also a noun. एक तेज़ी से कोई काम हो रहा है अगर, so और पूरी practicality के साथ, logical reasoning के साथ, but it holds intrinsic value. Intrinsic is an adjective which means fundamental, okay, या फिर root, essential, जो कि इसेंशियल वैल्यू होती है, जो कि रस होता है किसी चीज़ का, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ज़रूरी या महत्वपूर्ण. सो एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण वैल्यू वो कैरी करता है. दैट इज़ accommodative politics. For the first time in nearly 25 years, all members of the Union Cabinet are from a single party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now this is for the first time in 25 years. So cabinet, union cabinet ministers, they are all from one party. The death of Lok Jan Shakti Party leader Ram Vilas Paswan 3 weeks after the Shiromani Akali Dal's Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from the cabinet in protest against legislation that her party sees as anti-farmer has suddenly created this situation. But it has been in the making for a while. Now these are the examples given that how come the single party is ruling entire union cabinet. The reason is that Lok Jan Shakti Party, it completely got wiped off, okay, and because of death of Ram Vilas Paswan, the leader, okay, and after 3 weeks after, this was 3 weeks after the Shiromani Akali Dal Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from this cabinet, that The reason was that she was being accused of that the party is an anti-farmer party. Okay. In 2019, the Shiv Sena's Arvind Sawant resigned from the cabinet after the party broke with the BJP. अभी BJP से ब्रेकअप के बाद शिवसेना के अरविंद सावंत ने भी 2019 में रिजाइन कर दिया. In 2014, the BJP won more than half the seats in the Lok Sabha, the first time a single party won a majority since 1984. So after 1984, it was in 2014 given right here, that a party won majority in Lok Sabha. A single party. In 2019, the party increased its tally. Tally is a noun which means total or a record. Okay, so total or record here would be किसी चीज का जो मुख्य टोटल या मुख्य नामांकन आप कह सकते हैं वो, and is not dependent on any other party for the government survival, though it has at least 24 allies in the NDA. Ally is a noun. Okay, it's a noun which means friend, दोस्त. कहते हैं ना एक तरीके से उनके जो साथी हैं या सपोर्टर हैं, हम उनकी बात करें तो उनके पास there are at least 24 supporters in the NDA for them. Though they have the majority and they don't need anybody else's support, but still, even though if they don't need someone else's support, they have won the majority completely like by alone, all by themselves. But still, the writer tells that they have at least 24 allies in the NDA, so they can take I would say they can take help of them, but they do not need it. The help is not needed because they themselves are sufficient. The party alone is sufficient. Moving ahead, the writer says alliance politics. Alliance here is used as an adjective. Okay, though alliance is a noun, alliance means coalition. Alliance here is used as an adjective which means together. ओके, दैट इज टू एक तरीके का जो गठबंधन होता है हम उसको अलायंस कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो जो ये गठबंधन वाली पॉलिटिक्स है, मैं क्लियरली लिखती हूँ, मैंने हिंदी में लिखा है तो वो क्लियर नहीं शायद दिख रहा होगा. सो गठबंधन. ओके, so had come to be derided as a sign of instability. So it is, see क्या होता है ना कि single party when it rules, it comes up, it has its own stand. So at that moment people think, okay, this is the most powerful party here. But when people come together for alliance politics, alliance which means people come together and they come to rule, like two parties or 2 or 3 parties they come together. Okay, because single party did not won majority in Lok Sabha. So this has been derided as a sign of instability. इसको deride किया गया है. Deride is a verb, it's an action word which means to actually disparage someone or something. मतलब किसी चीज को नीचा दिखाना, okay, या किसी का मजाक बनाना. To mock at, कि भाई बेसिकली मजाक बनाया जा रहा है इस चीज़ के लिए, लोगों को धोखा नीचा दिखाया जा रहा है कि भाई आप अकेले ही सफिशिएंट नहीं हो. ये आपके इंस्टेबिलिटी का साइन है, इनडिसीजन का साइन है, पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस का साइन है इन द डोमिनेंट डिस्कोर्स ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स बिफोर 2014. Dominant discourse is a kind of a speech or a kind of a narration. Discourse is a noun. It is a kind of speech or narration. एक तरीके का कथन होता है. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ जो कही जाती है, तो ये कथन 2014 के पहले तक अकॉर्डिंग टू द डोमिनेंट डिस्कोर्स ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स, मतलब जब इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स में एक कहावत के तौर पर ले लीजिए या एक मान्यता के तौर पर ले लीजिए, 2014 के पहले तक it was considered, like people used to consider alliance politics as a sign of instability, indecision and policy paralysis, which because of that, it was derided as a sign of, it was mocked at, and people used to disrespect, और लोगों को नीचा दिखाते थे इस चीज़ को लेकर, या एक पार्टी दूसरे पार्टी का मजाक बनाती थी. Conversely, the emergence of a single party's dominance was welcomed as a new era of stability and decisiveness. Now, when BJP won this, see why before 2014 the writer has quoted, because in 2014 BJP won the majority. Okay, the only party that could stand alone in the Lok Sabha. So when BJP won this in 2014, then people realize, okay, this is now that it has come a new era, it's a new age or new scenario wherein people have, this is a sign of stability and decisiveness, कि भाई अब स्थिरता आएगी. The BJP chose to be more triumphalist than gracious in its victory. Now, what BJP did, it tried to be more triumphalist than gracious. कहने का मतलब है अपनी जीत को लेकर, triumphalist is an adjective, gracious is also an adjective. Now, gracious is someone who is humble and soft, okay, soft spoken, someone that's gracious, like someone who's good in terms of soft spoken and kind in terms of not boasting around or boasting about themselves. BJP, what on the contrary has done, it has been more triumphalist. कहने का मतलब है, why triumphalist? The reason is they used to boast a lot about their victory. The members of the parliament there or the party itself, they used to talk a lot about themselves, so, or their victory, and they used to, when they used to talk more about the victory, it became more like triumphalist. उनके लिए जो उनकी जीत थी या जो triumph था, that mattered more than the power mattered more. Okay, then the sort of I would say sort of humanitarian or humanity that should have dived in. Instead of that, they were more focused on the power they now have. And okay, fine, now they were not even thinking of, probably the writer wants to say indirectly that they were not thinking of what next would they do with the power, but they were all happy with the power they have now. Decisions of far-reaching consequences, such as the changes in the status of Jammu and Kashmir and eligibility of citizenship, were made with no inputs from regional political groups, including its own allies. Now see why it was triumphalist than gracious. यहाँ पर examples दिए गए हैं कि when the status of Jammu and Kashmir was changed, when eligibility of the citizenships were made, like there were changes in the eligibility of the citizens made, then also BJP, this party who was at the center ruling the nation, did not worry or did not bother to take note of the local political parties or political groups' inputs, even of those who were their friends or their allies, who were their own allies. They did not even bother to consider their point. So that is why they were more into that they have this power and they would be utilizing this power to their own best. Okay, so they were not considering everyone, but they were all care about their own self-party. Involvement of regional and smaller parties will only make governance more robust. More robust, that's strong. Adjective. I'm going to wipe off the screen and explain you the meaning. So robust. Robust is an adjective which means strong. Okay. कहते हैं ना एक तरीके का जो चीज़ बहुत ही ठोस होती है, जो बहुत ही कठोर और strong होती है. So they say that involvement जो होता है regional और smaller parties का, वो governance को it makes it more strong. Okay, it makes it stronger and inclusive at the national level. The tendency to consider regional forces as a hindrance. Hindrance is a noun which means as an obstruction. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं रुकावट. So if we consider this as a hindrance to a national vision, is not the BJP's creation, though it amplified it. Amplified it, which means it's a verb, it means इस चीज को they have increased it. बढ़ाना. Okay. Now, what the writer says, the tendency to consider regional forces as a hindrance, that the local parties and smaller parties, they are considered as a hindrance. They are obstructions, okay, in terms of ruling or in terms of giving a better vision to the nation. So the writer says this tendency is not the creation of the this party, that's BJP. It's not BJP who has created it or who has suggested it, but yes, it has amplified it, it has increased it. Other parties have been doing it and BJP gave it a push or a stimulus. The emergence of regional and communitarian politics is in part a response to the Congress's failure to be sufficiently sensitive and accommodative of various social and linguistic groups. So it says the emergence of regional and communitarian party politics is in part a response to the Congress's failure. Now, how did these regional and communitarian politics? Communitarian is an adjective, okay, which is related to different or particular communities, related to a particular community, you can say, that is communitarian. So what is the reason behind emergence of these communitarian politics or the regional politics? The reason is Congress failed. When Congress was when Congress was ruling, it failed to a great extent in accommodating various social and linguistic groups in different communities. It couldn't imbibe and consider, and because of that, people came up with their own groups or parties. SAD, that's leader Sukhbir Badal, flagged this as a lesson. Flagged, he marked this. Flag is a verb which means to mark or to emphasize. So he emphasized this as a lesson for the BJP that domination can easily lead to a total collapse. If you try to dominate, you will utterly collapse. So you have to take care of. So this is Sukhbir Badal who suggested BJP that you have to, indirectly he said that you have to take care and take into consideration the smaller groups as well. Otherwise, there would be no time. In no time, you would be a failure, like Congress. So this is an example of why the writer has quoted this particular incident or example pertaining to Congress. Moving ahead, let's go ahead, and the writer says, in the case of the BJP, its parliamentary majority itself is concentrated in the north and the west of India, and among particular communities. There is a strong case for the party to be more accommodative towards regions and communities that are not part of its political map. So what it says, the writer says, these are the suggestions that the writer is trying to make, suggestions. The reason is that the writer wants the government to be stable or maybe supportive. So he says that there's a strong case for the party, okay, to be more accommodative towards the regions and communities, so that even those who are not on their political map, they should try to take hold of them, they should try to consider them. The party has taken some steps such as inducting Nirmala Sitharaman, a Tamil, and V. Muralidharan, a Malayali, in the Union Council of Ministers, though the BJP is not dependent on Tamil Nadu or Kerala for its parliamentary majority. So these are the examples of the above stated. Though political map पर आपका उस चीज़ से कोई आपकी communities आपका हिस्सा नहीं है, but still आप उनको consideration दीजिए, it will bring more power to it. तो same चीज़ उन्होंने किया, एक तमिल को और एक मलयाली को उन्होंने अपने काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स का हिस्सा बना है, जबकि जो मेजॉरिटी बीजेपी ने जीता था उस टाइम उनका तमिलनाडु और केरला से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं था, उनको वो मेजॉरिटी इन दो स्टेट्स की वजह से नहीं मिली थी. Stability is only enhanced when the stakes are widely distributed in a polity, and this is a point to note that when stakes, when interest, when risks are equally divided, only then a particular country can progress, only then there can be stability. The situation created by death of Paswan and resignation of Ms. Badal opens an opportunity for the BJP to re-examine its approach to regions and social groups. Adequate representation in the Council of Ministers is a necessary condition and a starting point towards a more consultative decision-making process. Consultative is an adjective which means consulting, किसी से सलाह मशवरा किया हुआ, ओके, सॉरी, सलाह मशवरा लिया हुआ, तो वो डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस हो जाता है. दैट माइट गारंटी मोर डिजायरेबल आउटकम्स. सो आउटकम इज अ नाउन विच मीन्स अ रिजल्ट, किसी चीज का परिणाम, ओके, दैट इज आउटकम. सो वो कहते हैं कि अगर हम कंसल्ट करते रहेंगे, सबसे आपस में सलाह मशवरा करते रहेंगे, तो वो चीज़ गारंटी करता है दैट वी विल हैव बेटर रिजल्ट्स, बेटर आउटकम्स in terms of ruling and in terms of bringing nation to stability. So this was the article for today that I had to discuss with you guys, and these were the words that I wished you all to know for today. So the list of the word is there on the site, as I tell you always. The link is in the description. Go click on the link and get there to the list of the words. Start practicing the words right away, and do not forget to hit the like button to the video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel for regular sessions with us. Any doubts that you have, you can write to us and give it us in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon in the next session. Thank you so much.